Yeah, baby.
I'm Brody Franklin.
Sam English.
This is Franklin English Outdoors. This evening we're here, East Tennessee. Just got out of school a little early today. We're gonna try to get it done. All right, guys. We made it to the top of this hill, and then we're gobbling. We're gonna try to get on there. I seen that deer. I heard him go. Damn, I knew he was close.
Why'd you walk up? If you knew he was that way.
Well, I didn't know he was that close. I thought he was just right down. Like, I thought he was over that hill.
Shit, I thought he was around there.
There was another one, but he must not be gone. Or if he did, he didn't say. So, it was so helpful. We're not sure, the wind's blowing real hard. We're going to try to sneak around back, get in the bowl. We think they're going to go get out of this wind. Sam's going to grab a decoy now, and then we're going to head on.
I only seen 3 of them, but I swear they've got one. They act like numbers. They might have been hens, I don't know.
I thought that one that we seen earlier would have been him. Or you seen. Yeah, last Saturday, me and Dad was just sitting out there above that bush hog. Over there on the other side. I had to.
Everybody's been a little bit behind them 2 things we didn't see down there.
Be looking to the left up there. Be looking to the left. You wouldn't think they went far.
Hey guys, Sam English here. Got this bird killed. Me and Brody started out the evening hunting after school there for about an hour. We got on a bird, couldn't do nothing with him. Brody had to leave me, so I come to one more spot before work. I seen these birds down in the field. I showed my decoy, and I like to do that in the evenings when they're out in the field and they ain't saying much, when they ain't gobbling. I can't get them to gobble. I like to show them decoy and bring them into the decoy. Well, I showed them this decoy here, and they come running at me about 15 yards. Took care of him. There's 2 birds. If Birdie would have been with me, well, I could have doubled up, but that's how it goes sometimes. Hopefully, I got the video on the Tacticam. Pretty sure I did. and so y'all can see it. I didn't get it with the big camera. That's alright. That's how it goes sometimes. Hey guys, I had to do a voiceover on the end of the video there because the wind was so bad yesterday evening. If you guys enjoyed the video, hope you like and subscribe. Follow our Instagram and TikTok and Facebook at Franklin English Outdoors. Thank you guys.